Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to use PayPal on Gamestop. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Gamestop and then choose a game that you wish to purchase and then add it to your cart. So just anything, just choose anything and then just add it to your cart. So let me add something to my cart and then I'm just going to go to my cart here. So when you get to your cart here, so for example, this one here, so I've just selected this game, this item here, and then now I'm here on this checkout page here. So this is my cart. Okay, so I've selected shipping. All right, that's fine and everything. So on my right side here, I have the option here to proceed to checkout, and then I have this PayPal option here. So if I'm going to use PayPal, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply click on PayPal, and then all I have to do now is simply log into my PayPal account using my PayPal credentials. So once this loads, so I'm going to just plug in my PayPal details and then log in and then complete this transaction. So once I complete this transaction, then I can actually complete this using my PayPal credentials and PayPal account. So it's pretty straightforward. So if your area or country supports PayPal, then you should see this option just next to the checkout. So all you have to do is simply click on it and then select the PayPal option. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.